Do you have some lemons? Let's make the best lemon crinkles you will ever have. Fresh, lemony, moist, and delicious. You should try them. Everyone will ask you for the recipe. Yalla, let's start. Start by adding the zest of 3 lemons into a bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar. Mix the sugar and the zest very well with your hands. Add half a cup of butter at room temperature. Make sure your butter is soft to make it easier with the mixing. Mix all the ingredients together until they're smooth and creamy. When you reach this texture, add 1 egg at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Continue to mix until they're fully incorporated. Now add 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a few drops of yellow food coloring. I'm adding more few drops to reach the color that I want. Also, it's optional, you don't have to use it if you don't have it. Now sift 2 cups of flour along with half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients together with a spatula. Don't overmix the ingredients, just make sure they're fully incorporated. Cover the bowl with cling film and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes or until it's cold. This will make the shaping of the crinkles easier. Now it's cold, remove it from the fridge and start by shaping the crinkles like this with a spoon. It should be easily shaped into a ball with your hands. If it's not easy to shape it, it means that you need to put it an extra time in the fridge. Put the ball first in the sugar, the regular sugar, then put it in the powdered sugar. Make sure that you're covering it very well with the powdered sugar. Now put it on a tray with a parchment paper in a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Heat from the bottom on the lower shelf for 10 minutes. You might need to broil it a little from the top, and it might take more than 10 minutes from you depending on your oven. This is the second batch. It was freezed for 30 minutes and now I will put it again in the powdered sugar, making this experiment to see if I will have more contrast between the sugar and the cookies. Since they're cold, I want to see also if the cookies will be in a different shape when they're freezed because it will take more time to melt in the oven. The second batch is out. I don't see a big difference with the double layer of powdered sugar, but the difference is with the thickness of the cookies. Both are very delicious. The lemony flavor is amazing. They taste like a combination of cake and cookies. Very soft from the inside and has a slightly chewy texture from the outside. You can see that I love experimenting. This is the third batch. It's not broiled and it's removed before the 2 first batches. It's yummy but doesn't have the chewy texture from the outside. Now it's your turn to experiment with this recipe. Make it and let me know your opinion. I'm sure that everyone will ask you for the recipe because it's really very delicious. See you in the next recipe. صحتين وهنا.